Hey guys, Raphael here again with Nova Cleaners. If you got organic stains on your carpet, such as coffee, wine, pet urine, anything like that, you need this product because this product works wonders. I'm gonna show you, all you gotta do is spray product on, blot it up with a cloth, maybe agitate a little bit with a brush if needed, and this product gets rid of all sorts of crazy stains on the carpets. All right, here we go. All you do is spray the product on. Obviously, if you spray the product and you give it proper dwell time, it definitely works a lot better and you have to do less scrubbing. But for the point of this video, I'm not going to let the product sit very long. So already you can see I'm blotting it up and there's quite a bit of the stain that's coming off on the towel, which is great to see. Now, this is also not a very thick carpet, so you don't really need the extraction machine, which is great, but I do always recommend it just to run over with some water and properly extract everything. But you can see that this horrible coffee stain that has been there for quite some time is actually disappearing right in front of your eyes here as I'm doing this video. Another round of blotting it up. And there you have it. That stain is gone.